Worried about what to eat with diabetes? Does it feel like healthy eating is expensive and complicated? Well, you're not alone, and I'm here to show you that it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to walk through a full day of delicious, diabetic-friendly meals that are both affordable and super easy to make. We'll cover breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even some snacks. My goal is to prove that managing your blood sugar can be simple, tasty, and budget-friendly. So, if you're ready to take control of your plate without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Let's get cooking. First up, breakfast. This is the meal that sets the tone for your entire day. We're making overnight oats with berries. It's a game changer because you prepare it the night before, so your morning is completely stress-free. All you need are rolled oats, which are a great source of slow-release carbs and fiber, helping to keep your blood sugar stable. We'll add some Greek yogurt for a protein boost, which keeps you feeling full. For sweetness and a ton of antioxidants, we'll throw in a handful of mixed berries like blueberries or raspberries. Berries are fantastic because they're low on the glycemic index. Finally, a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats. Just mix everything in a jar, pop it in the fridge, and wake up to a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast. It's portion-controlled, packed with nutrients, and incredibly satisfying. Now, let's talk about lunch. We want something quick, easy, and portable, especially for busy workdays. My go-to is a hearty lentil and vegetable soup. Lentils are a diabetic soup. They're packed with protein and fiber, which work together to prevent blood sugar spikes. Plus, they're incredibly cheap. You can make a huge batch of this soup at the beginning of the week and have lunch ready for days. To make it, just salt some onions, carrots, and celery in a pot. Add a can of diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, and your lentils. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender. You can throw in any other veggies you have on hand, like spinach or zucchini, near the end. This soup is not only filling and nutritious, but also warms you up and keeps you energized without weighing you down. Pair it with a small whole wheat roll if you like, and you've got a perfectly balanced midday meal. All right, what about that mid-afternoon slump when you're craving a snack? Don't reach for the cookies. We have some amazing options that will satisfy your cravings and keep your blood sugar in check. My first suggestion is a handful of almonds and an apple. Almonds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them super satiating. The apple provides a bit of natural sweetness and more fiber. The combination of protein, fat, and fiber is the magic trio for stabilizing blood sugar. Another great option is celery sticks with hummus. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is another fantastic source of protein and fiber. It's creamy, savory, and turns a simple vegetable into a truly satisfying snack. Both of these options are easy to pack, require no prep, and give you that perfect energy boost to get you through to dinner. Remember, snacking smart is key. It's dinner time, and we're remaking something that the whole family will love. Baked salmon with roasted broccoli and quinoa. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, an important consideration with diabetes. Baking it is one of the healthiest ways to cook it. Just a little lemon, garlic, and dill is all it needs. While the salmon bakes, we'll roast some broccoli. Just toss it with a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast until it's tender and slightly crispy. Broccoli is a non-starchy vegetable, meaning you can eat plenty of it without worrying about your blood sugar. Our carbohydrate for this meal is quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and has a lower glycemic index than white rice, making it an excellent choice. This meal looks and tastes gourmet, but it comes together in under 30 minutes. It's a perfect example of how a diabetic-friendly dinner can be both elegant and simple. So let's recap our full day of eating. We started with delicious overnight oats for a stress-free, fiber-packed morning. For lunch, we had a hearty and affordable lentil and vegetable soup that you can prep for the week. In the afternoon, we beat the slump with smart snacks like almonds and an apple or celery with hummus. And we finished the day with a beautiful baked salmon, roasted broccoli, and quinoa dinner that was both quick and incredibly satisfying. See, eating for diabetes management isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart, informed choices. It's about focusing on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbs, and tons of non-starchy vegetables. Each meal was designed to be balanced to help keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. And as you can see, none of these ingredients are fancy or expensive. Now, I want to leave you with a few final tips to make this journey even easier. First, meal prep is your best friend. Spending just an hour or two on the weekend to chop veggies, cook a batch of quinoa, or portion out snacks can save you so much time and stress during the week. It helps you avoid reaching for unhealthy convenience foods when you're tired and hungry. Second, learn to read nutrition labels. Pay attention to serving sizes, carbohydrate counts, and fiber content. This knowledge gives you the power to make good decisions, whether you're at the grocery store or a restaurant. And finally, remember to listen to your body. Everyone's needs are different. Monitor your blood sugar levels to see how these meals affect you, and adjust portion sizes as needed. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices and herbs to keep things interesting. Managing diabetes is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about building sustainable, healthy habits that you can stick with for the long run. And it's so important to be kind to yourself. There will be good days and not so good days, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to just get back on track with your next meal. Remember, if you're feeling overwhelmed or struggling, please reach out to a healthcare professional, a registered dietitian, or a certified diabetes educator. They can provide personalized advice and support tailored to your specific needs. There are amazing resources out there, like the American Diabetes Association, that offer guidance and community. You are not alone in this. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this meal plan gives you the confidence and inspiration to create your own delicious, affordable, and diabetic-friendly meals. Eating well should be a joy, not a chore. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, healthy recipes and tips. Let me know in the comments what your favorite diabetic-friendly meal is. I'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.